Good morning, guys. I am here to explain to you the new update in Abyss feature in the Easter event of Simple MMO. So to explain it to you, what are the difference of this Abyss? Wait, there is alarm. So the as you can see in the name of every Abyss, there is a Roman numeral indication in that abyss. You can determine which is the better abyss you want to go to. So green will be the lowest the lowest rarity. Next is blue, and as you can see there's no yellow, but the yellow is the second to the highest. And lastly is there is red abyss. So the red abyss is the latest update because unlike the previous event, there is no red, which is the tier 4. So from my observation, uh, red and yellow is more worth it than green and blue because despite it having higher XP rate per killing of NPC, it also have higher chances of energy refill. So that is the advantage of the Abyss unlike the Battle Arena. And also, um, Abyss is cheaper than Battle Arena. But the problem is count it doesn't add up to the count in the battle arena. Let's say you are in 7 circle and there is a progression of out of 2000 or 25, I think so. But it doesn't add up even though you are killing NPCs in the abyss. So that's all. So in the end, I want to say that the best abyss is red and yellow. So that's all, guys. I hope you understand me. I am not a native English speaker.